Hi guys, today we'll show you how to turn off Pinterest video autoplay. First, unlock your phone and open the Pinterest app. Once Pinterest is open, we can go to the settings and change the video autoplay options. Now, look at the bottom right side of the screen and tap on your profile icon. Your Pinterest profile will open, and from here, we can access the settings. Once your profile is open, look at the top right side and tap on the settings icon. You'll see different options that you can manage from here. Now look through the available options and tap on privacy and data. Once it opens, we can scroll down to find the video autoplay settings. Scroll down until you find autoplay videos on mobile data. If this option is enabled, tap on it to disable it. Now find the autoplay videos on Wi-Fi option. Disable this option as well, so video autoplay is turned off for Wi-Fi too. And that's how you can turn off video autoplay on Pinterest for both mobile data and Wi-Fi. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more Pinterest tutorials.